everybody, I'm going to show you today how to make cream cheese waffles. It's a different kind of a waffle than what you're traditionally used to. It's more of a chewy, sweet waffle that I'm going to make into a dessert. So first of all, I need to get a package of yeast, which is 2½ teaspoons. I'm going to put 1/3 cup of warm water in it with some sugar and some salt, and we're just going to let it sit here and get the yeast to start rising, and then we will put our flour and cream cheese in it and make our dough. My yeast has done its thing, getting bubbly, so I'm going to add my flour, and I'm going to add cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, 8 ounces. I'm going to put my yeast in here. I took the cream cheese and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds just to get it really soft so that it will beat up in here really good. And I'm going to put in 3 eggs. And then I'm going to mix it in my big mixer. And it should come together really fast, and then we'll add our sugar to it. Okay, I'm going to put in a tablespoon of vanilla and a cup of sugar cubes that I have crushed into smaller pieces. Just take a hammer and put them in a bag and whack them up. I'm going to put those in there and stir them up. Now we're going to let this set for 15 minutes just to let the yeast get to working and let it rise just a little bit, and then we're going to put it in our waffle maker and make our waffles. While I'm waiting for my batter to rest a little bit, I'm going to make the filling. So I've got cream cheese in here, and I'm going to put in 1/3 cup of ricotta, and I put my salt in. Then I'm going to put some almond extract and some butter. Excuse me, butter. Vanilla. Sheesh. Alright, I'm going to mix this up, and then I'm going to add the cream into it. Okay, I'll put the cream in. And just beat it up until it's really smooth. Okay. Okay, now that I have it beat in, I'm going to add the sugar to it. I've got some powdered sugar. If I can keep this from flying everywhere. Okay, I have got my batters ready, and I'm going to start cooking them. I'm going to put in a scoop, and I'm going to put it right in the center. And I'm just going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to assemble it with the filling and the berries. Okay, my waffle is finished. I'm going to take it out. Be really careful when you do this because the sugar is melted in there and it will burn you really bad. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my plate. I'm going to put my filling down. Put a scoop right in the center, spread it out just a little bit. And then I've got a variety of fresh berries, some blackberries, some blueberries, and some raspberries, and some strawberries that I cut up. We'll just pile this in the middle. And then I'm going to add some whipped cream to the top. And there are your cream cheese waffles. Now let's take a bite of those and see if they're as good as what we think they're going to be. Gotta make sure we get a berry in there. The cheese mixture is a little bit salty, and the ricotta kind of gives it a tang. So it's really good with the sweetness of the waffle and the berries. This is super good. I hope you really enjoy them. Thanks.